Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 18th, and this is my market recap of gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord community, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my membership if you'd like to get access to all the benefits listed below and more at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So I left this Fibonacci retracement on here because we are at the 88%, but more than likely it's going to keep pushing up. If it really does turn down, like I said in the morning video, with a very impulsive move, then I definitely would take it as still possibly a short. But I think what happened here is we made three waves down, three waves for A, three waves up, three waves for B, and probably five waves down. If you go down to a little bit of a shorter time frame, that's definitely a five-wave trend for a 3-3-5 pattern, so five waves of C. So more than likely what happened here is we have a running flat 3-3-5 pattern for an ABC correction. Like I said, if it does turn down really hard here, then yeah, definitely go short. But otherwise, I think it's probably going to keep pushing up. I still think this is probably going to hit that $3,000 an ounce target before too long. So definitely looking for longs in an uptrend still primarily. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.